Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the bag for any small punctures or weak seams. This prevents surprises later. Once done, empty and lay it flat, then align the closure, zipper, roll, or clip so edges match. You should expel most air by pressing from the bottom upward. Less trapped air means fewer buoyancy and compression issues. Make the first closure slowly, listening for the sound of a tight seal, because an imperfect first pass is the most common cause of leaks. Next, you reinforce the closure methodically. If it's a roll top, roll 3 times tightly and clip. If it's a ziplock, close firmly along the full length and use a secondary clip. Once sealed, test by submerging only the mouth area for 5 to 10 seconds and watch for continuous bubbles. Tiny single bubbles can be expected, but avoid streams. If carrying electronics, place them in a second dry bag inside the first for redundancy. This reduces risk from seam failure. Finally, you arrange contents so heavy items sit at the bottom and delicate gear stays centered and slightly elevated. That improves balance and reduces stress on seams. Once packed, recheck the seal and give a final squeeze to verify no air escapes. If you discover a leak, dry the area, mark the spot, and apply a reputable waterproof tape or patch as a temporary fix. For a permanent solution, replace the bag. If tape doesn't hold, transfer contents immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.